And also I feel like a bad bitch cat. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Wednesday, December 11th. I don't really have like much of a plan today. I did just start my period. Periods after you have a baby suck for a while. Like they're not all bad, but some of them are kind of bad. You guys can probably see I did add some more decor to my tree and then everywhere else in my house, which I'm so excited about. I'm going to show you guys all of that. There is still some things on the way for the tree. It's just like a pack of ornaments, but that's pretty much it though. I think everywhere else I'm done for the most part. Her nails are so long. I don't have a nail cutter. It's gonna have to be this one that we've been using. You know what this is. Baby doing fava to her nails. Wow, look at that. You guys, I got a haircut. You probably won't be able to see what it looks like right now, but I really like it. I took 2 inches off the bottom. I just got some more layers. Also got some curtain bangs. It looks like a hot mess right now.
Hell no, man. What the fuck, man?
Yeah, you'll be able to see it once it's styled a little better. If you didn't know, I'm a perfume snob. Like I love perfumes, but I just got this one in the mail that was like a sample and I love it. It's so nostalgic for me. This one by Merit, it's called Retrospect. It literally smells like lipstick. It smells like when I was a kid and I was going through my mom's makeup and trying on all of her lipsticks. It's just so nostalgic. It reminds me of my mom, which makes me want to buy it. Was that their plan? Because that's kind of genius. The top note is bergamot, pear, ambrette, and aldehydes. The heart note is jasmine, rose, rosemary, violet, and orris. You can definitely smell that orris. I think that's what kind of gives it that powdery lipstick smell. And the bottom note is vanilla, musk, and moss. Considering buying a full bottle of this because of the way it makes me think about my mom. Girl that knows what she wants. You want the Chanel? Go get it, babes. Gotta work for it. Picked up one of these little trivet riser trays. I'm gonna use it for a hot cocoa station during the holiday season when I have a Christmas party. It's gonna be so cute. By the way, this is from Target. It's the Hearth and Hand collection. It's actually really heavy.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kiss.
These plates are from an estate sale that we went to. She basically had a whole collection of these limited edition Christmas plates, all from the 90s, and the 90s are a very nostalgic time for me because I am born in the 90s. I was just about to make a coffee, but my husband said he's gonna go pick me up some Dutch Brothers, so love that. Start cooking some food for Davy. She has been loving paneer and rice, so I think that's what I'm gonna prepare for her.
Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, so volley Paris.
This is what she's having for lunch. Rice, paneer, there's a little bit of liquid aminos in there. Let's see if she eats it.
Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me.
Here's what's for lunch. Vegan sushi, but it is so good. Cheers.
A few moments later.
I had to lay down because I'm just so tired. I feel so exhausted. I really think this period is just like taking everything out of me. I don't know why I chose today to film. Like these hormones are just going crazy. I feel emotional. I feel exhausted. I feel like I'm not. Sometimes it just feels like what you're doing isn't good enough. I wanted to vlog with like this completely different like plan. And obviously like that's not happening because you know, it's just the real life shit. It's just getting in the way. Hopefully I feel better when I wake up.
One nap later.
She's back and she's better because she got a nap. I honestly don't know if I'm gonna leave that in the video. It's a moment of vulnerability, which I feel like is important for everyone to see, that like mom life is just not easy and as glamorized as it is, I feel. But I just don't know if I'm gonna leave it in. I'm actually gonna start doing a little video. I haven't really figured out how to film for YouTube and reels or shorts at the same time. It's like a different format. I think I'll just post it in a different video, like the whole look, like an actual tutorial. Later I'm gonna dye my hair because you can kind of see my roots in here. They're very subtle. I think the last time I did a root touch up was probably a month ago or something, and I didn't even leave it in for that long. So this time I'm actually gonna dye my whole head, so I'm excited for that. Okay guys, I just finished filming my little video using the new Huda Beauty Icy Nude palette. I actually really like the way this look came out, guys. Look at it, isn't it cute? This highlight is giving me all the 2016 glam vibes. Like, oh, I love it. And also I feel like a bad bitch again. I'm gonna do some recreational, if you know what I mean. By the way, I did record this look for YouTube, so I will be posting it on there soon. Can't wait for you guys to see it. Like, but just look at these eyes. You're so flirty and like innocent and flirty. Guys, I'll see you in a little bit. I'm gonna clean up the house and then I'm gonna show you guys the decor that I ended up putting up so you can kind of get the vibes. Show you around now. All right, so here's our tree. Here's what my fireplace looks like. I'm still waiting on baby's stocking to get here. Shelf minus his controller, and then I'm gonna move that bow down a little bit. So we found this whole thing at the estate sale. The ornaments were separate, and then this little thing, which is actually a dough roller, it was also separate. He was saying whenever we bought the little dough roller, he's like, my wife used to take ornaments and put them in there. And I'm like, that's exactly what I was going to do. So whoever this woman is who has passed away, I just want you to know, girl, I am taking care of your stuff, and I think we vibe. This adorable freaking picture. I think it's called Boy Looking into the Fireplace. I don't know, but it lights up, you guys. Look, come on. Okay, there we go. So it lights up. You can see the fireplace lights up, and then it actually changes colors. So cute. I wanted to add a little bit of pine cones around here. Ended up adding these little garlands too, and some ribbon on this vase. I added some of this ribbon also from the estate sale. It has like a shift to it, so it's red, but it changes to green, which is so freaking cute. I'm telling you, this lady had like the cutest stuff. And then here's my island. You guys saw when I did this. Here's what it looks like. This little setup. I love this little candy cane thing in my little pot. Christmas trees, Christmas trees. Up here we have this wreath. This is the hot cocoa station. I wanted it to look like there was snow over here and there was just birds chilling over here. Entrance table, I added a bow over there. This little trunk from the estate sale, which I love. I'm about to get the stuff out to dye my hair. It's a L'Oreal Paris Universal Nudes Excellence Cream Color. It's ammonia free, and this is 4N natural dark brown. The developer, is this the developer? Yeah, okay. So it says to remove the applicator. The developer, this is the permanent color cream. Is this the right color? Yeah, it is. Imagine. Just squeeze this in here. I have to be really careful.
What's up? Been a minute since we kicked it, you've been caught up with the bitches. I don't get it, you're a star love. You shouldn't have to deal with that. I'll never make you feel like that. 'Cause I love me.
Done. I'm gonna let that sit now for 30 minutes and then we're gonna go jump in the shower. I'm not even gonna talk too much. I'm just gonna quickly do a very rough blow dry and show you what it looks like and then probably style it tomorrow.
I love me enough for the both of us. That's why you trust me. I know you've been through more than most of us. So what are you so afraid of? Darling, you give but you cannot take love.
Here's what the hair is looking like. You'll see some of my highlights, which kind of makes it look like I have baby lights in my hair. That's sort of what I was going for. Okay guys, I'm gonna go to sleep now. I'm pretty tired, as you can see. I'll see you guys next time. Please like, comment, subscribe, all the things. Bye.